Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well. Looking for the cutest and most trending crochet baby shoe designs of 2026. In today's video, we are sharing adorable handmade crochet baby shoes that are stylish, comfortable, and perfect for newborns and toddlers. From soft pastel colors to modern cartoon-inspired patterns, these crochet baby shoes are becoming a huge trend among moms and handmade fashion lovers. Whether you love elegant baby booties, tiny sneakers, floral sandals, or winter wool shoes, these designs are full of creativity and charm. One of the biggest trends this year is animal-themed crochet baby shoes. Cute bunny ears, teddy bear faces, panda styles, and duck-inspired booties are winning hearts everywhere. These designs not only look adorable but also make perfect baby shower gifts. Another trending style is mini sneakers, crochet shoes inspired by modern sport shoes. These tiny handmade sneakers give baby a fashionable and sporty look. White soles with colorful laces are especially popular right now for winter season styling. Knitted wool crochet boots are also trending. Soft fluffy textures, warm ankle length designs, and cozy pattern help keep babies comfortable during colder days while still looking stylish. Floral crochet sandals are also becoming favorite for summer. Beautiful flower decoration, pearl buttons, and soft pastel yarn colors create a cute and elegant look for little girls. Many crochet creators are now using eco-friendly cotton yarn because it is soft on baby skin, breathable, and comfortable for everyday wear. Handmade crochet shoes are also special because every pair is unique and made with love. These crochet baby shoes are perfect for baby shower, newborn photography, everyday baby fashion, handmade business inspiration, DIY crochet love. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all fine and doing well. Looking for the cutest and most trending crochet